Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing extremely good and fine. So welcome with me Bijal Ritesh Maru at Bliss Yoga by Bijal for another week of your general reading. So how will your week be from the 14th or to the 20th of March? Well, this week is a lot about action. There's a lot of swiftness and movement going to be there this week. Work will be going fast, probably your professional life, your personal life, you will be seeing a lot of pace and movement, and following that will be a lot of communications happening. There will be a lot of discussions that are going to be in mode, so you will be probably meeting a lot of people or being involved with a lot of people this week. Secondly, it's very important that if you're going to place your hands in 10 things at a time, it is not going to work. So whatever you pick up this week, make sure that you give your 100% to it. Only if you do that will you see movement, will you see results, and will you see positivity flowing in and prosperity coming in this week. If you feel you can put your hands in 10 things and try to match up to everything, then I'm sorry, you will fail and you will not get the required results that you're looking for. Thirdly, the male members in your life, maybe your father, your brother, your husband, your son, or even a very good friend whom you have in your life, is going to be your source of strength and guidance this week. Also, your week may revolve around them. So situations may arise where your week is going to revolve around them. So they are going to be a pillar of support, as well as you will need to cater to them this week. Last but not the least, please spend some time alone in solitude. If preferably, if you can do it in nature, it would be the best. If not, even at home, just take some time off and just be alone every single day. Spend some time alone. If possible, just spend it in silence so that you have clarity in your path ahead. You know your way ahead. You know your goals ahead. Make sure that you make the right choices this week. Take the right call this week. What is taking you closer towards your life purpose? What is taking you closer towards your goals and your achievements this week? If you choose wisely, everything will follow in wisely. So I really hope you have all these guidelines do work for you. Keep them in mind as you proceed through the week. Have a great week ahead, and your zodiac readings, just follow this video. You can read them here or check them on our Instagram, Facebook page at Bliss Yoga by Bijal. And for personal readings, you can directly DM me for tarot as well as for numerology. And have a great week ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye.